Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about how microorganisms are helpful and dangerous for us. बच्चों, first of all, microorganisms helps in increasing the soil fertility because some bacteria and blue-green algae are able to fix nitrogen from atmosphere, and as we know, nitrogen is very essential for the fertility of soil. As doctor always prescribed us antibiotics, these medicines are useful for us because these medicine kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms, and these antibiotics in nowadays are produced from bacteria and fungi. So we can say एग्जाम्पल के लिए स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन, टेट्रासाइक्लिन, इथ्रोमाइसिन, ओफ्लॉक्सोसिन, ये सारी की सारी दवाइयाँ बेटा एंटीबायोटिक्स होती हैं। एंटीबायोटिक दवाइयाँ हमेशा खाई जाती हैं, बॉडी में इंजेक्ट की जाती है एज अ ओरल टैबलेट और एज अ पेरेंटल ड्रग। इन नेचर्स देर आर सम माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स which can decompose dead and decaying material. So we can say microorganisms are also helpful in cleaning the environment. During decomposition, the simple substance will form from the complex. So here microorganisms also plays an important role. Now you can see that how microorganisms cause diseases. There are some diseases, and you can see the mode of transmission of these diseases also, that how these diseases spread. These diseases can be transmitted through air, water, food, contact, and even mosquito also. So you can learn from this slide as the tuberculosis is a bacterial disease. Measles, chickenpox, polio, all are viral diseases. Cholera, typhoid caused by bacteria. Hepatitis is also from virus, and malaria causes from protozoa. So I hope you can understand by watching this slide. Thank you.